Hey guys, welcome to your daily Jeeps with John. So this is a 2021 Willys edition. It's got the 3-liter diesel, so tons and tons of power and torque. The Willys is great because it's based on the sport model, not the Rubicon. This car's about 10 grand less than it would be in the Rubicon trim package. It's 52,000 bucks, and for those of you that aren't really gonna use all the Rubicon off-road equipment, this is a fantastic option. So on the Willys, you're gonna get pretty big, bold, standout things like a black gloss grille, the black accents in the front bumper, and then the LED lighting group, which is those slick headlights there. A little bit of badging. All these special editions, the wheels are usually the big thing that pops. So it's a 17-inch upgraded wheel with an MT tire. The Willys are usually a little more off-road focused, at least in looks, and this is gonna be more off-road capable, just not as much as Rubicon. You do pick up a Rubicon rock rail, a little blackout badge there. You're also gonna pick up power locks, leather wrap steering wheel. Now this one has the Sun and Sound package, which is going to give you the power retractable full hardtop, which is awesome. You're gonna get an Alpine 9-speaker sound system, 8.4-inch touchscreen with navigation as part of that package as well. Coming around to the rear, you do pick up a little Eco Diesel badge when you get that diesel. And then the last thing I wanted to touch on was kind of a nod to the past with the Willys. It's a little throwback 4-wheel drive logo, which I think is kind of a cool touch. So any other questions about this one, please feel free to give us a call anytime at 502-459-9900 and make sure you subscribe to the page. We'll talk to you guys soon.